On a crisp, serene morning, the forest comes alive with the soft rustle of leaves and the distant call of birds. But among the tall trees and lush underbrush, there's something truly enchanting unfolding. Meet the baby foxes, also known as kits, in their natural playground. These little explorers, with their soft fur and bright eyes, are discovering the world around them for the first time. With each playful bound and tumble, their curiosity knows no bounds. Their tiny paws shuffle through the leaves, while their twitching noses are drawn to the scent of everything new and exciting. A flick of their tails and a playful nip at each other show just how full of energy and joy they are. The world, to them, is a canvas of endless adventures. They chase each other in a game of tag, weaving through the underbrush, their innocent squeals echoing through the trees. The kids are learning the vital skills they will need to survive. While they play, they strengthen their coordination and agility. Every playful leap and roll builds their confidence, preparing them for the challenges of the wild. In these brief moments of joy, the baby foxes remind us of the beauty of nature, untamed, unhurried, and brimming with life. Watching them brings a sense of wonder, a gentle reminder of the innocence of youth and the boundless energy that defines it.
Pipi. Ach, magst du heute nur kuscheln? Magst du heute nur kuscheln? Oh.
Good morning, silly. Did I wake you up? Did I wake you up? Yes. It's a beautiful, chilly winter morning. For real? Yeah.
What, Mom?
Little person's face.
I know.
They're pretty hot. I love when they hop. Yeah.
The mouse pounce.
Careful. Careful. Good.
Come here, come here, come here.
So what's the difference between like when they knock?
The play bite, yeah.
Play bite, when they